Hi, I'm Neiman Reynolds, Fleet Manager for Chevy, Buick, GMC of Puyallup, and I'm here to make managing, purchasing, and maintaining your fleet of business vehicles as simple as possible. So whether you have one vehicle or an entire fleet, we're here to keep your business moving. When people think of fleet, they often think of huge companies with hundreds of vehicles. We've designed our fleet program for businesses of all sizes. So whether you're a contractor, a plumber, a landscaper, or a real estate team, if your business relies on vehicles, we want the opportunity to work with you. Being a family-owned dealership, we're building this program around long-term relationships. So my goal is to be your dedicated point of contact. So when your business needs support, you know exactly who to call. I'll work with you to learn your business, make recommendations based off of your needs and budget, and then help your fleet grow alongside your business. We want to be more than just where you buy your vehicles. We want to be your long-term transportation partners. Purchasing vehicles is only one part of the equation. Our dedicated service team knows that downtime costs your business money. A team of advisors and technicians is committed to getting your vehicles maintained, repaired, and back on the road as quickly as possible. And having sales and service under one rooftop makes maintaining your fleet simpler and more convenient. So whether you manage one truck or an entire fleet, we want to work with you. Reach out to me directly and let's discuss how we can partner with your small business.